In this video, I will guide you how to add a horizontal line in Word for your resume like this one. Go to the Insert on the top menu bar, click on the Shapes and pick the line. Now press the Shift key and drag the mouse towards right side. And now you can see that a thick line is inserted. Now right click on the dot of the line, go to the Format Shape and here select the solid line. In the color, pick your favorite color. For example, I am selecting white or whatever you like. Here is the increase the thickness of the line and I am selecting 3 pt. You can also use the transparency of line and then go to the dash type. Here is the different formats of the lines and this is the round dot and this is the dashes, this is the long dash. So I am selecting solid line. So with this method you can easily insert a line for your resume in Word document. So if you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.